Hey everyone, it's Jerry with another exciting video. I have something really awesome to share with you. Check this out. So guys, this is a 1998 Cessna 182 airplane. It's my friend Herb's. There's Herb relaxing right there. So it's called a Skylane. It's a little bit more popular than the 172. Beautiful plane. So Herb was telling me it flies about 150 miles an hour. Gets around goes through 6 gallons of gas per hour. Absolutely amazing, beautiful plane. Aluminum prop. So there it is, guys. Beautiful 1998 Cessna 182. Please like and share my videos. Maybe one day Herb will take me up. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification below to see new videos. Have a great day.